So we're going to do two things. Number one, most of the time, if you have lower back pain, it's not because there's something wrong with your back. It's because either your hamstrings are too tight or your glutissimus maximus cardiacius hasn't been stretched out in the longest of time. So what we're going to do first is we're going to stretch out our booties. Now, what you're going to do is like this. Not that way. Okay. So take one leg. If you need assistance, ask for help. If you don't need assistance, that's fine. All I want you to take one leg, put it like this. If you can't do it, that's fine. I'm going to show you an exercise after the hamstring to get your ankles and your knees stronger so you'll be able to do it. Now, when you're doing this, what you're going to do is hands in the air and wiggle like we just do here. Okay, cool. Now, you're going to breathe in. And when you breathe out, just gently, ever so gently, so that you don't pull something to prove that this won't help you and continue that way of being that hasn't been helping you. Ready? So hands like this, breathe in and slowly. Now, like I said, I have an obstruction, so I'm going to do my best. You're going to go like this and slowly and breathing. And all of a sudden, you're going to feel with the bent leg, all of a sudden it's going to go, hello. And then you sit there and you allow discomfort, which is a beautiful thing because you get out of your comfort zone. And you hold it for 5, thank you. And you hold it for 5 seconds. I got it, they got it, okay? Ready? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now just sit back. Now, hands up in the air again. You're going to go 45 degrees to the right. Say hi to your neighbor. And you're going to go like this. And just breathe, 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 breathe. And up. And 45 degrees to the left. And breathe, 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 breathe. Relax. Now, if you raise both your hands in the air because you have lower back pain, and you're not doing this, I'm just going to leave it at that. Okay, cool.
Hey everyone, thank you so much for watching my videos. Ron Schwally here. Just wanted to say I appreciate you. Feel free to like, subscribe, and click on the bell if you want to see more videos coming your way to be alerted. Just thank you so much, and feel free to share this content with anybody who you think would find some value from this. Have an awesome, joyous, wonderful, breath-filled rest of your day.